So starting the next part. Okay, so here you can see a image, a background. This is sun. Okay, this is sun, and the name of this story is Jane Ki Dane. Jane Ki Dane means the contribution of Zen. Okay, here he is Zen. So, what is Zen? It's a Japanese school of Mahayana Buddhism, emphasizing the values of meditation and intuitions rather in the ritual worship and study of scripture. Okay, so with this peaceful and calm states, okay, that's it includes that. Okay, so this chapter is related to the meditation and mental stability of our mind. Okay, so let's see what's the author was sharing with us. जापान में मैंने अपने एक मित्र से पूछा. जापान मीन जापान. I asked to my friend. I asked to a friend in Japan what यहाँ के लोगों को कौन सी बीमारियां अधिक होती हैं. What disease do the people here suffer from most? यानी इस यहाँ के लोगों को कौन सी बीमारी, what disease, what kind of disease they are going through. ओके, अधिक कौन सी खराबी, तबीयत खराबी उन्हें होते हैं. ऑथर अपने दोस्त से पूछे. जापान में जाकर उसने पूछा. एंड द रिप्लाई वाज मानसिक. उन्होंने जवाब दिया. एंड ही रिप्लाइड व्हाट? मेंटल डिजीजेस. यहाँ के 80% लोगों मनोरुग्ण हैं. सो हियर 80% of people here are mentally ill, he replied. इसकी क्या वजह है? What's the reason for it? वजह means reason. And the author asked, why? What is the reason behind it? कहने लगे हमारे जीवन की रफ्तार बढ़ गई है. And he said what? हमारे जीवन की रफ्तार, our life speed. Okay, रफ्तार means the speed. बढ़ गई है. That means the speed of our life has increased. बढ़ गई है means increased. यहाँ कोई चलता नहीं है. Here no one move. Okay, here no one walks. Here no one walks. बल्कि दौड़ता है. But all ran. Okay, all runs. They are not walking. They are running. कोई बोलता नहीं, बकता है. No one talks. Okay, no one speaks. बकता है means talks. No one speaks. They just talks. बकता means talk. हम जब अकेले पढ़ते हैं तब अपने आप से लगातार बड़बड़ाते रहते हैं. Okay, whenever we left alone, we keep on murmuring to ourselves, right? We all do that, right? When we are for example, when we are in bathrooms or when we are in private spaces, we just do some practices or something. What our mind says, we just talk about that, right? Ourselves, right? I will always be talking in my private places. Okay, what we have to do, we have to talk with others. I will talk about murmuring in myself. Okay, ourselves. So here the same thing the author was saying, what when we are left alone, we keep on murmuring to ourselves. Okay, this manasik means mental diseases. 80% means 80%. Manorugna means mentally ill, illness or ill. Bhakta means talk, but badate means murmuring. So what's next? अमेरिका में हम प्रतिस्पर्धा करने लगे. We start competing with America, US. We started competing with US. एक महीने में पूरा होने वाला काम एक दिन में पूरा करने की कोशिश करने लगा. What we started trying to complete the work that would taken for a month in a day. Okay, that's why. वैसे भी दिमाग के रफ्तार हमेशा तेज ही रहता है. That's why. Okay. Anyway, the speed of our mind is always fast. उसी स्पीड का इंजन लगाने पर वह 1000 गुना अधिक रफ्तार से दौड़ने लगता है. And we attach the engine of speed to it. It starts running 1000 times faster speed, right? फिर एक क्षण ऐसा आता है जब दिमाग का तनाव बढ़ जाता है. Again, then a moment comes. Okay, then एक क्षण ऐसे आता है, means a moment that came, what, जब दिमाग का तनाव बढ़ जाता है. Our mind stress will be increased. और पूरा इंजन टूट जाता है. And the all engine will break down. यही कारण है जिससे मानसिक रोग यहाँ बढ़ गए हैं. That's why the reason here, why the mental diseases are increased here. शाम को वह मुझे एक टी सेरेमनी में ले गए. And at the evening, my friend took me to a tea party, a tea ceremony. चाय पीने की यह एक विधि है. And this is the method of drinking tea. जापानी में उसे चानोयू कहते हैं. In Japanese we call it चानोयू. Okay, to drink tea, it's called चानोयू. Okay, so प्रतिस्पर्धा means competing. दिमाग की रफ्तार means the speed of mind. दिमाग का तनाव means the stress of mind. And विधि means the method. Okay. So, वह एक 6 मंजिली इमारत थी उसकी, जिसकी छत पर दफ्ती की दीवार वालों की तमामी की जमीन वाली एक सुंदर पर्णकुटी थी. It was a 6-story building, on the roof of which there was a beautiful thatched hut and cardboard walls of tatami floor. So where he go for a tea ceremony, he was describing that place, that building. और उसमें पानी भरा हुआ था. बाहर बेडक सा एक मिट्टी का बर्तन था. And there outside there was an awkward earthen pot outside. And what, उसमें पानी भरा हुआ था. And there was the awkward earthen pot outside. और हमने अपने हाथ पांव इस पानी से धोए. And we just washed our hands, legs and hands there in that water. तौलिए से पहुंचे और अंदर गए. तौलिए means what? The towel. तौलिए पर means towel. और what? अंदर चार्जिन बैठा था. Okay, that means Charjin was sitting inside. हमें देखकर वह खड़ा हुआ. And when seeing us, he stood up. कमर झुकाकर उसने हमें प्रणाम किया. He just bent down and say namaste to us. दो छो आइए तशरीफ लाइए. दो छो कहकर स्वागत किया. दो छो, he just said those. Come, please come. He just invite us. बैठने की जगह हमें दिखाई. And he just show us how to sit. He just greeted us blowing his waist. And he welcomed us to saying Tocho. And he show us the place where we have to sit. अघीटी सुलघाई. अघीटी means he lit the stove. उस पर चायधानी रखी है. And he placed the teapot on it. बगल के कमरे में जाकर कुछ बर्तन ले आए. And he just went to the next room and brought some utensils. बर्तन means utensils. Okay, और तौलिए से बर्तन साफ किए. And he just cleaned that utensils with the तौलिए मीन्स टावल्स। सभी क्रियाएं इतनी गरिमापूर्ण ढंग से की कि उस पर उसकी हर भंगिमा से लगता था मानो जय 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 जयवंती में के सुर गूंज रहे हो. Okay, that all deeds shows me what he cleaned that utensils with towels, and he did all these activities such dignity, and his every gestures made it seems as if heads of Jay Jayvanti were echoing there. Okay, tatami means mat. Parnakuti means what? Parnakuti means that that hut. Hut. Parnakuti means hut. Okay. Kheti sulgai means that stove. Chaydani means that what? Teapot. Bartan means utensils. Har bhangima means what? Every gesture. Okay, it seems as if it's the head of Jai Jayanti were echoing there. So गूंज रहे means echoing. Clear? वहाँ का वातावरण इतना शांत था कि चायदानी के पानी का गदगदाना भी सुनाई दे रहा था. And the atmosphere there was very calm. Okay, was so peaceful and very calm that even we can hear that sounds of that bubbling of water from the teapot. We can see that much of calm and that much of peace we can see there. चाय तैयार हुई. चाय, टी वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड, वॉज रेडी. उसने वह प्यालों में भरी. एंड ही जस्ट व्हाट ही फिल्ड इट इन द कप्स. ओके, फिर वे प्याले हमारे सामने रख दिए गए. एंड ही जस्ट केप्ट फ्रॉम आवर साइड. वहाँ हम 3 मित्र ही थे. वी जस्ट थ्री फ्रेंड्स वेयर देयर. इस विधि में शांति मुख्य बात होती है. So, what in its ritual, peace is the main theme. In that ritual, peace is the main thing. Shanti means peace. इसलिए वहाँ 3 से अधिक आत्मियों को प्रवेश नहीं दिया जाता. That's why more than 3 people are not allowed. People are not allowed to enter there. प्याले में 2 घूंट से अधिक चाय नहीं थी. So in that cup there was no more than 2 sips of tea in the cup. हम ओठों से प्याला लगाकर एक एक बूंद चाय पीते रहे. And we kept drinking tea on the drop of time by putting cups to our lips. करीब 1.5 घंटे तक चुस्कियों का यह सिलसिला चलता रहा. And the sequence of sips continued for about 1.5 hours. वो कैसे सिप करते ही रहे. ऑथर और उसके दोस्त और वहाँ के जो थे वो तीन लोग क्या ऐसे ही सिप करते रहे. वहाँ ना कुछ कोई बात हुआ, उतना ही खाम थे. पहले 10-15 मिनट तो मैं उलझन में पड़ा. ओके, फॉर द फर्स्ट 10 and 15 minutes I was confused. फिर देखा दिमाग की रफ्तार धीरे धीरे धीमी पड़ती जा रही. After that I just noticed that the speed of our mind was controlling, or it was gradually slowing down. थोड़ी देर से बिल्कुल बंद भी हो गई. And after some time it was completely stopped. मुझे लगा मानो अनंत काल में मैं जी रहा हूँ. And after a while I stopped completely and I felt that I was living in an eternity. यहाँ तक कि सन्नाटा भी मुझे सुनाई देने लगा. So I could even hear the silence also. That much of he was in that stage. Okay, he was in that calm and quiet stage. Goot means sweeps. Thed gane 1.5 hour. Ulchan means confused. Anantakal means eternity. This pyala means cup. Pyalo means cups. Sannata means what? That silence. Dhimi slowly. Dhimi gradually, slowly, all these meanings. Or yes, then moving on to the next. I think it is the last part. अक्सर हम या तो गुजरे हुए दिनों की खट्टी मीठी यादों में उलझे रहते हैं या भविष्य के रंगीन सपने देखते रहते हैं. We always, अक्सर means always, we always be often we are either entangled in the bittersweet memories of our past. हम सब ऐसे ही जो बीते हुए दिनों के कोई बातें सोचते रहते हैं, नहीं तो आने वाले हमारे सपनों के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं. वी ऑल जस्ट स्ट्रेस्ड एंड फीलिंग हैप्पी ऑल अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. ओके, सो हियर खट्टी मीठी मीन्स दैट sour and sweet, bitter and sweetened memories. उलझे रहते हैं means we all always keep dreaming. Okay, we all always means entangled. Okay, या भविष्य के रंगीन, we always see the future dreams. और हम या तो भूतकाल में रहते हैं या भविष्यकाल में. In very clear we can say either we live in the past or in the future. असल में दोनों काल मिथ्या है, but actually both these tenses and both these times are false. एक चला गया है, दूसरा आया नहीं है. Okay, one has gone, another was not reached, has not come. हमारे सामने जो वर्तमान क्षण है वही सत्य है. And the present moment in front of us is the truth. उसी में जीना चाहिए, and we have to live on that. Okay, we should live in that. चाय पीते पीते उस दिन मेरे दिमाग में भूत और भविष्य दोनों काल उड़ गए थे. When I was sipping, when I was drinking that chai, that day while drinking tea, the both past and future had flown away from my mind. केवल वर्तमान क्षण सामने था, and what? Only the present moment was in front of me. और वह अनंतकाल जितना विस्तृत था, and it was a vast as eternity. जीना किसे कहते हैं उस दिन मालूम हुआ. And actually that day I learned what is the meanings of living, means to live. जैन परंपरा की यह बड़ी देन मिली है जापानियों को. Okay, then the Japanese has received the great gift from the Zen tradition. So this calm and the mental stability, all these things were the gift they got from these traditions from Zen tradition. They all get, Japanese people all get from this Zen tradition. Okay, clear. So this is the story of पत्थरों की टूटी पत्तियां. So I think you all understood the story, both stories. Okay, so and the second one you all know, it explores the concept of Zen Buddhism and relevance of to modern life, particularly in the concept of stress and mental health. The essay begins by describing the mental health challenges of the prevalent in the Japan due to the fast-paced lifestyle and intense competition. Okay, and it then narrates the author's experience at the Zen tea ceremony, where the atmosphere was described very calm and very dignified. And the ritual of tea drinking with its emphasizes the mindful participation of the limited sips is presented as the way to slow down the mind's racing thoughts and experience a state of profound peace. Okay, so this is about the story. Okay, then thank you all.